location from Nassau, Bahamas, it's Small Cap Power's Companies to Watch.
We're at the President's Club Small Cap Conference with Tom Henderson, CEO of Accord Financial. Tom, thank you for being here with us. Tell us about Accord Financial.
Rachel, Accord Financial is a commercial finance business that operates throughout the U.S. and Canada. Our primary business is lending money to businesses that don't qualify for bank financing. So our clients have revenue of anywhere from $1 million to $100 million. And they are either growing rapidly or they've had some issues in the past. For whatever reason, they're not bankable. And they look to Accord to help them achieve some objectives of transitioning to, in the future, perhaps selling the enterprise or getting financing at a much lower rate than what we charge. We're giving them the opportunity to grow their businesses without bringing in capital. That's the main reason that these companies come to us. Right. And these companies range from family-owned enterprises to businesses that are owned by private equity sponsors, particularly in the United States. And a number of our clients are small-cap public companies also. Right. And they're coming to us to raise debt instead of equity so they can continue to expand their business.
Great. And what is the market potential that you can provide for our investor audience?
The market potential for our company is excellent when the capital markets return to normalcy. During this period of time, we have had to be extra cautious and patient to search for the right opportunities. So the last 5 years, our growth has been very small relative to the growth target that we were on before 2007. And it will accelerate once again when the capital markets return to a normal state. Right. Now the good news is that the Federal Reserve may finally begin to raise interest rates
as we know.
Next month, because the U.S. economy just added 270,000 jobs in October, and the unemployment rate went down to 5%. This certainly should spur the Federal Reserve to finally act. When they do that, that's the first sign that capital markets may return to a normal state. When that happens, then we expect to see substantial growth, particularly in our U.S. business, which has the most potential because it's very small relative to the market size.
Great. You just talked a lot about the upside potential, the growth factor, but what other things can you highlight for us in terms of new developments that are coming up in the next 2 years?
Well, Accord has been doing something the last 5 years that is now reaching its maximum potential, which we've been working on a branding exercise. Up until 5 years ago, all of our companies had a different approach to the market. They had different names. We branded under Accord. We adopted the same tagline, keeping business liquid in the U.S. and Canada. And that is having a very nice effect on the flow of transactions that we see on a daily basis. It's accelerating. We're very excited about that. And to prepare for growth, we've beefed up the management of 3 of our 4 companies already in the U.S. and Canada. We expect to see substantial growth from the return to normalcy of the capital markets. And to prepare for that also, we've invented some new products, both in the U.S. and Canada, that we think are going to have pretty wide appeal, awesome. Rachel.
Thank you very much for your time.
It's been great to be here. Thank you.
For more great companies to watch, be sure to visit smallcappower.com.